Hi everyone, welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Rohit and I'm part of OnceHub support team. Today in this video, we're going to learn about how we can offer scheduled meetings via a booking calendar in a chatbot interaction. Before we do that, let's understand the use case. Let's say I'm working at a hiring agency which hires commercial drivers. But before we go ahead and schedule a meeting with these commercial drivers, I would like to qualify them based on the fact that they own a Class A commercial driving license and are willing to work for more than 20 hours per week. And I would like to have this interaction done on a chatbot as that's my preferred way of communication. All those drivers who will fulfill this parameter would be offered the option to schedule the meeting, and the ones who don't meet the parameters will be routed towards an end chat interaction with a thank you message. So let's see how we can create this. Once we log into a OnceHub account, we'll land on the home page. We'll click on the chatbots option on the left to access the chatbot lobby. Once we are in the chatbots lobby, we can select the relevant chatbot. I have this one pre-created. In this chatbot, if you see in the interaction form, I asked them about the commercial driving license they own and how many hours are they willing to work for us. These are my qualifying questions, as mentioned previously. And the ones who qualify through this would be offered a meeting here. So I'd like to add a booking calendar interaction right after interaction number 6. To do this, I'll go to the add interaction menu on the right, click on the booking calendars under popular section, or I can also do this under the actions section. To do this, I'll simply drag and drop the booking calendar interaction right after interaction number 6. I'll quickly provide a label for this interaction and select the booking calendar via which I would like to offer these scheduled meetings. I'm selecting this one here. Then I'll save the changes. Before we go ahead and test this with a conversation, let's just quickly check the routing. Here, when they answer Class A, if you see in the routing, I have selected routing based on rules. If they select Class A, they would be routed to this interaction, number 5, when they would be asked for the weekly working hours. Otherwise, they would be routed to interaction number 10, that is not qualified drivers and is an end chat interaction. Similarly, for interaction 5, we'll be routing them to the scheduled meeting interaction if they answer more than 20 hours. Otherwise, again, to the same interaction. This is the end chat interaction that I have created for the non-qualifying drivers. So let's see how this works. We can use this chatbot interaction as a standalone chatbot or embed it on our website. To embed it on our website, we'll click on Embed Designer section here, and then we can get the code. But for this demo, we are focusing on the standalone chatbot. So click on the Page Designer option and then access our link using this option here. To start off our conversation, we'll go ahead with the consent and give them the email. Then answer what type of license we own, how many hours are we willing to work. Here you can see I have been prompted to select a time zone. I'll continue with EST. From here, I can select a time slot for which I would like to book a meeting. Let's say August 14, 10:20 a.m. It's asking me for my full name. I'll go ahead. You can see Google Meet is being offered as a location because that's what I have selected for my booking calendar. Confirm. Here you can see that the meeting has been scheduled and an email has been sent to the email that I used. So that's how you can offer a scheduled meeting via booking calendar in a chatbot interaction. If you have any questions or any concerns, please feel free to reach out to us at support@oncehub.com and we'll be happy to answer that for you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.